Now let us discuss about syntax of the JavaScript. We can write JavaScript with the help of script tag element. So we uses script tag element. This is a starting tag element. This is ending tag element. So less than slash script greater than. Here this script tag element where we can place script tag element. So let's see that point. We can place script tag element in three ways, in three locations. First one is we can write script tag element in head section. The second approach is we can write script tag element in body section. Body section. The third way is we can write script tag element as we can write the script as an external file. As an external file. As an external file. So that file will be linked either from the head section or body section by using with the script tag element. So here the point is we can write the JavaScript with the help of the script tag element, and we can use the script tag element either in head section or body section or as an external file. Now let us demonstrate these three with the help of an example. So in order to create the file, I am opening a folder. So here my folder is DWT. Let us create a file here. So new text document. So let name of the file is hello. Let us write the code here. So let us increase the font size here. So HTML. Next we know that HTML document mainly contains two sections. First section is head section. Second one is body section. So starting of the body tag element, end of the body tag element. Next to close HTML tag element. So now we have to write the script. So we can write the script with the help of the script tag element. So we can write the script tag element from the head section or body section or as an external file. So let us write script tag element in the head section. So starting of the script tag element, next end tag element. So let us display some message. Document. Here document is an object. Document object contains a method called write method. Let us display a welcome message. Welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript programming. Just like C, C++, Java. So here also every statement ends with semicolon. Now let us save the file. So save as hello.html. So we have to save the file with the extension HTML. So save the file, all files. So save it. Now let us run the application. So here we have hello.html. Let us run the file with Google Chrome browser. So right click, open with Google Chrome browser. We can use any browser. It is our choice. So if you observe here we got the message as welcome to JavaScript programming. Now let us do some modifications on this program. So open the program in Notepad. Open with Notepad. So instead of writing script in the head section, now let us write in the body section. So Ctrl X. Let us write the script tag in body section. So this is the second way of defining the script tag in the head section, in the body section. Now apply some formatting features. So here we have a tag called font tag. So font color is equal to, let us apply red here. Already we have applied double quotations here. So that's why for attribute values, we need to apply single quotation. Color is equal to red. Next size is equal to, let us increase the size. Size is equal to, let the size is 15. Now for the less than, write the greater than. And after that we have to close the font tag. So here we are closing the font tag. Now welcome to JavaScript programming will be displayed in red color with the font size 15. So by default 8 with font size 8 the content will be displayed. So I am saving it. Now let us run the program. So let us open with, it is our choice. We can open with any browser. Okay. If you observe here, welcome to JavaScript programming is displayed in red color with the font size 15 and in red color. Now let us display this one as the external file. Now let us define the script as external file. Now it should be done with the help of, here we have to use src attribute in order to link the external file. So we have to use src attribute. Src is equal to, we have to give some name. Let name of the JavaScript file is first.js. Okay. And in that we have to write this body. So Control X. So script, we have to use an attribute called src is equal to, name of the file is first.js. So it is our choice. We can write script tag element either in body section or head section. There is no problem. Okay. Now let us open a notepad. Let name of the color is green color. So what is the name of the file? First.js. Okay. Save. Now what will happen is, if you click on the hello.html, script src is equal to, we have given first.js. So control goes to the first.js and it will be executed. Okay. So here directly I am opening with Opera. So if you observe here, we got welcome to JavaScript programming in green color. So in this way we can define script tag in 3 ways: from the head section, from the body section, as an external file.